Hello everyone, this is me Sharon and welcome back. Today I'm showing you the crochet hook that has a light. So as you can see earlier, I was able to work this project in a complete darkness, which is really great, especially when you don't want to disturb your husband or somebody in your room, and you can still crochet while the lights are turned off. And meron siyang dalawang setting for the light. Yung isa is bright and this one hindi masyadong bright. So I bought this crochet hook a few years ago, and I have a video of the unboxing of this one. It's great for when you're making a lot of MTOs and you want to turn off the light at night, and you can just use this one instead. So ito yung nagawa ko using this crochet hook. So in complete darkness talaga kanina, and I didn't have a hard time getting through those stitches kasi nga okay lang siyang gamitin. But the thing is, this is made of plastic. So unlike yung aluminum or yung made of steel, hindi siya nagbe-bend ng konti whenever you're crocheting. This one medyo nagbe-bend lang naman. So kailangan talagang i-handle with care. So pag nagko-crochet ako, I make sure na carefully kasi nga feeling ko madali siyang mabali. But the good thing about this particular crochet hook is that medyo comfortable siyang gamitin because of its handle. Rubber itong part na to. And kung nakikita nyo, namumove siya. Siguro natatanggal siya. And the quality naman, yun, meron lang ako nakita na konting yun, hindi perfect yung pagkakakabit sa ganito. Parang anytime pwede siyang mabiyak. But so far, kasi bihira ko na siyang gamitin nung nagkaroon ng lockdown, so I wasn't able to get it in our other house. So matagal ko siyang di nagamit, and then nung nabuksan ko siya dito sa case and I was about to use it, napansin ko ayaw na niya mag-charge. So madali lang yan, i-charge nyo lang siya dito sa may cable wire na kasama, and then yung parang pinaka plug ng phone charger nyo, pwede nyo gamitin for this. So yun na ginagamit ko. And nung una parang hindi siya nag-work, pero nung ginamit ko sa isang plug, nag-work naman. So yun, akala ko hindi ko na siya magagamit. So chinarge ko muna siya ng maybe 2 to 3 hours, and then nag-stop siya ng, kasi pag nag-charge siya, nagkukulay blue tong part na to. So pag nag-charge siya, hindi ko siya ginagamit. Siyempre, abala siya kasi merong wire na nakabit. So, after niya mag-fully charge, kasi namamatay yung ilaw, saka ko na tinanggal, and then saka ko siya ginamit. So, it comes with 8 other head. So, interchangeable yung head niya. And then, kung kunyari, papalitan mo, all you need to do is use this one. So, i-insert mo lang siya dito sa part na to. So, kailangan ano siya. Nakaganon siya. Pero natanggal ko naman siya before na hindi kailangan ito eh. So, yun. Kailangan mo lang siyang yun. Yan. And then, saka mo siya i-twist. Natanggal siya. And then, meron siyang size na nakalagay dito, 2.5. So, ang sizes ng rechargeable crochet hook light is from 2.5 to, I don't know kung anong, let me see. This one is 2.5 6.5 pala. So, ito yung pinaka malaki na size for this crochet hook light. So, medyo mahal ko siya nung nabili, but these days, I think they have mas mura na lang siya. So, I will add the link in the description for those of you who would like to buy this one. So, right now, because I have bought this a few years ago and I've been using it ever since. For me, if you're going to make MTOs, especially at night, at gusto nyo patay na yung ilaw and you still want to crochet, you can definitely use this one. Kasi madali siyang gamitin, although nagkakaroon lang siya ng konting ingay when you're crocheting kasi nga, it's made of plastic. So, yung pinakamaliit na size ng crochet hook head na to, nagbe-bend siya ng konti. But of course, the bigger ones, I'm sure hindi sila mag-bend. This is 2.5. I think this is the smallest. So, meron siya mga nakalagay na size sa pinakailalim niya. So, it's easy to see. This is 3.0. If you're going to check kung magbe-bend ba siya, hindi masyado. This one, hindi masyado. Yan. Ito lang pinaka payat. Yan ang hindi nagbe-bend. Ay, yan ang nagbe-bend ng konti. If naman you're looking for doilies, kung gagamit kayo ng mas thin na crochet hook, yun nga lang ang problema, wala sila. So, ang pinaka-smallest nila is yung 2.5. So, I use this one for projects na ginagawa ko at night only. Kasi maganda siyang gamitin and you can still go through each stitch. And ganito ang itsura niya. So, I started this project with the lights turned off. And I'm showing you now the rows or the rounds that I have made already. And if you're going to check, it still look good. So, meaning I can crochet in a complete darkness using with this crochet hook, which is really nice and maganda siya gamitin if you have lots of MTOs and you want the lights to turn off dahil ayaw yung may istorbo yung asawa nyo or anak nyo nakatabi nyo matulog, ganon. So it's comfortable kasi meron pa siyang ergonomic handle. I bought this one, I think, online. And I'm not sure kung sa Lazada or sa Shopee, but I'll add the link in the description box if you are interested to buy this kind of crochet hook. So for me, my review is it's highly recommended, especially if you are crocheting at night and you want the lights turned off. Yeah, it's great to use and it's rechargeable. So I have seen online some products that are with batteries. So of course in the long run you have to replace batteries eventually, but if it's rechargeable, I think it's quite convenient because you don't have to buy batteries every now and then. And besides, small batteries is a bit dangerous because if you left it somewhere, it can easily be accidentally swallowed by small kids. So parang medyo hindi siya safe. Especially I have a kid on a spectrum, so I definitely would not recommend that if you have a kid. But if you're medyo maingat, you can use that instead. I think they cost a lot, the branded ones. This one is made in China, but yeah, for now I think it's great to use. I don't have issues with it. Maganda siya talagang gamitin if you're always crocheting at night and you want the lights turned off. Talagang okay siya. So it's in this case, which is really nice. So pag namili kayo, it comes with a case, so hindi siya madaling, yeah, it's safe. So kahit mahulog siya, hindi siya madaling masisira because it's inside a case with a zipper, easy to zip. And then nandito na lahat ng kailangan mo, and you just need to use your charger's phone, yung parang pinaka-plug niya, so that you can use this for charging this crochet hook. So anyway guys, I'm going to finish this soap saver that I am going to use later, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like. By the way, if you're interested to know, I chained 16 on this, and then on each end I did 2 more single crochets. So bali, I have 3 single crochets on this and on the other side, and then in between I just worked 1 single crochet into every stitch, and then closed the first round with a slip stitch on the very first single crochet made, and then started working 1 single crochet into every stitch. So that's the basic of how to make this particular shape, even when you want to make one for your phone. So that's the base, and then you just continue working 1 single crochet into every stitch until you get to the height that you want. But this is quite small for a phone holder. It definitely won't fit. So this one is for my soap, and you can put the soap inside once you get the height, and then that's it. So I'm gonna show you later. So I did about 60 chains, and I've used this Japan surplus crochet hook that I bought online on Shopee. So if you're interested, I will add the link in the description box so that you can buy if you would like. Now I also bought a few sets of needles in 3 sizes. So if you're interested, I will add the link. It comes with 9 pieces of yarn needle. This is the smallest one, and it comes in 3 sizes. So in each size you will get 3 pieces. So 3 pieces of the small ones, the big ones, and the biggest. So you're gonna have 9 pieces placed in this safety container. So the last thing that we're gonna do is we're going to make a drawstring. And then we're just going to sew this around, probably on the second round. You can use your scrap yarns in making this soap saver. And yes, I'm so glad I was able to make a project using this interchangeable head rechargeable lighted crochet hook. And once again, I will add the link in the description box if you'd like to buy one too. And that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!